terms of scaling their businesses, we work with the clients in terms of what is their actual strategy, what is they're hoping to achieve it, and what's the timeline they expect to achieve that over. And then we set milestones in terms of working with them, whether that is that at this stage they need funding right now, or whether it's actually they need support from a regulatory perspective in terms of moving internationally, in terms of the advice on the taxation rules, the taxation structures in the new countries that they're going to move to. And then alternatively, it can be also moving to the fact in terms of their corporate governance and in terms of having the right structures in place from a governance perspective, because that can be some of the biggest challenges for some of the scaling companies who ultimately when they look to maybe attract an ultimate purchaser of their business or a funder of their business, if the governance structure isn't right, that can be one of the blockers to them achieving their goals.
A lot of my clients who are scaling up are doing so by doing acquisitions. And so that's a very complicated area of the tax code. And so I assist them with dealing with acquisitions, doing some due diligence, also helping to assess their targets.
So we try to be a trusted advisor again to our clients and helping them build and model out various scenarios that a business may run into, whether it's growth potentials, whether it's margin improvements, whether it's risk mitigation, and trying to work with them to potentially solve various scenarios that may occur with that business itself.
Yeah, at BDO Canada, once our clients reach a certain size and they start getting the revenue traction, they start growing, we help them tremendously during this phase of their trajectory. At this point, we help them with making sure they're maximizing their government incentives, making sure all of their insurance needs are being met, helping them with their control processes, and helping them really start expanding into other countries. As the 5th largest firm in the world, and with such a big global presence, we're very happy to assist our clients. Almost all of them are, our technology clients are selling overseas and outside the country, and we make sure that we help them get over the pitfalls and problems they could have as they expand globally.
So we typically see that building scale requires consideration of people, process, and technology. On the people side, we explore with the client if they really have the people that it takes and the level of talent that it takes to get to the next level. From a process standpoint, we look at whether the company has many antiquated, people-driven, paper-driven processes that could be optimized end-to-end through automation or digitalization that will make processes much more efficient, give the company data points to be able to better manage their business, and reduce their cycle times. Then pulling all that together, we work with their digital backbone to provide the infrastructure that's necessary to support all the new processes. And then, of course, work with their people through change management to actually affect the change.